installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
Let's get straight into our hot gossip for today.
So for our first topic for today, we have to mention that Keeping Up with the Kardashians are thinking about making a new spin-off show on the Kardashian agenda. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, Miss Kim, and to the entire Jenner and Kardashian family, you know that Dr. Ross and I could be the next ones for your spin-off show.
Yes, sir.
It could be called Keeping Up with Rose and Gold, or even Keeping Up with the Kardashians, just with a new coat of paint.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, I know you guys all took a second to listen to what Brad Pitt's new girlfriend said. You know, her remark about Angelina Jolie and him. For a minute now, Brad Pitt actually, because she was getting a little bit of hate, Black King Sebastian. People were saying that's not her place to speak about Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's relationship. But Brad Pitt actually came out saying that he loves seeing his girlfriend defend him against Angelina Jolie and her bullying. What are your thoughts?
In my opinion, Dr. Ross, I agree with the girlfriend, because right now they're fighting over petty stuff. Because if, as you can see, the Angelina Jolie is just trying to get the last punch in on the Brad Pitt. But the Brad Pitt, he needs to step up and do something.
Exactly.
Because right now, he's just getting punched in the stomach.
Communication is most important in any relationship. Did it work for your relationship?
Yeah! Stop being the Fight Club.
Exactly. And another thing I want to say is, Brad Pitt, aren't you the man in the relationship? Why do you need a girl to defend you? You should have just stopped the conversation and stop weeping over Angelina Jolie, because that we know that's the only reason why you actually put any commentary in this, because you thought Angelina Jolie had something to say again.
True.
But let's get into our next hot topic. We have Alicia Curry unleashes a WAP mopping floors video in a biking shorts. So basically she was dancing around, doing the splits, you know, twerking to the WAP Cardi B song. What are your thoughts?
As you can see, Dr. Ross, she's trying to be scandalous and she's trying to get out there and do what she wants to do.
Exactly.
Keep doing you, Miss Aisha Curry. And we already know that you're trying to do the scandalousness and post it onto the different sites. Now that when you posted it onto the Instagram with the Stephen Curry, it went bad. But keep doing you. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So for our next hot topic, we do want to mention that Jordan Wood's birthday was recently, and she was recently with her, you know, her basketball boyfriend. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
As we can see in this photo, she has rigged herself up and now she looks better.
Exactly.
With this,
looking good.
That's right, Dr. Ross. In my opinion, she has one-upped Kylie Jenner in the looks. Now, in the money, Kylie Jenner still has her beat. Because the only thing that Miss Jordan Woods can do to get back at some way is to become a multi-millionaire. And that's just barely scratching the surface. Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
Exactly. So, for our final hot topic, again, for sports people, we have NFL quarterback Troy Taylor is dating Basketball Wives star Drea Michelle. So, the long neck one that's caused a lot of drama this year. We still love you, but apparently she's dating a quarterback now. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
As you can see, Dr. Ross, she's trying to go out there and she's trying to do her thing. And obviously she likes this guy, he likes her, so who knows? We'll see what happens later on in the future. It could stay together and it could break up later on down the path.
Personally, I think it's going to last 5 minutes, because she's been jumping from team to team. Next thing you know, she's going to date a baseball player. But these were all of our hot topics.
That's right. We'll catch you guys, or before we end off the Rose and Gold, let's do a quick horoscope.
No, God!
Our horoscope for today is Libra. You gain confidence from your connections and the experience you have gained. Positive activity from your social network boosts how you feel. You notice the way people respond to you, and the effect you create charms and captivates them, enabling you to motivate yourself and others. To all of our Libras whose birthday is today, congratulations and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And remember, we have the Jamaican clothing line, as well as the shampoo and the hair gel that is available for purchasing. If you would like to purchase some, just DM us and we will send some out to you. And remember, the Rose Playboy International.
Exactly.
That's right. Stay tuned for our next She's Hot contest. coming up next Friday.
And if you guys heard that alert, of course, that's more people voting for the She's Hot contest. We know you guys are excited. We're going to keep it short, keep it sweet. Close it off for us, Blake and Sebastian.
We'll catch you guys in the next installment. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out.